Good evening, everyone. My name is LaTorrence Willis. I came on to tell you guys my success story. I am currently an LPN thanks to Quick Facts, thanks to ReMar. I passed my NCLEX on my second attempt. My first attempt, I used UWorld and ATI. I took my NCLEX in January. I graduated December 2024. I took my NCLEX January, the end of got my results back in 72 hours and I failed. I was so devastated. I was disappointed. I felt like I was prepared and ready to go in and just get it done. Well, not for me. It wasn't my time yet. So I researched a little and I was actually on TikTok and this book came across and Miss Regina came across. It was Nobody But God, and Lord, I thank you. And I was like, I'm gonna try this and see if this works. So signed up for the free trial and it was so interesting and it kept me very intrigued. So I decided to go ahead and do the subscription. So I ended up getting the book and I got you get all of those things when you subscribe. And as you can see, my book is just filled with everything. Like so many notes, so many papers. I actually got up every morning as if I was going to school, logged in, and completed what this was for that day. And even it has like Quick Facts calendar here that you can go by. I actually I had to wait 45 days to test. I was like, I'm gonna count it up, and so I can go back and through the book as many times as I need to before it's time for me to take my test again. And that's exactly what I did. Book was so helpful. It worked for me. I passed on my second attempt. Computer shut off at 85 questions, and for whatever reason I had no doubt like my head if I failed. Like I knew I passed. I could hear Miss Regina like lectures just talking while I was taking my test, and the whole time I was testing I was thinking safe nursing, like what I do first to save this person. So use that strategy for all of my and I passed, and I am so grateful. I am not getting paid to promote this, and I would not promote anything that was not legit. This lady is heaven sent. This book is what helped me pass. The other sources that I had, some other cards that I had to show you guys, I actually left them. I don't want to get up to go back and get them, but I ordered all of that extra stuff off of Amazon. A lot of questions, but if you subscribe to Miss Regina's she has like a Q bank, has questions, rationales. You could take as many tests as you want. It has so many thousands of questions, the rationales. It has the CAT test, much information, and I utilized it all. You have not done so, and you are getting ready to take your test, or you are a second time test taker like me, go ahead and order this book. I promise you will not regret it. And take your time, listen, take notes. My book is a mess. I was actually ashamed to even show it, but I am so proud to say that I'm a ReMar nurse. I'm a safe nurse. So if you have not done so, get the Quick Facts for NCLEX, the next generation study guide. This book is so helpful. It's also another one, the pharmacology one as well. I recommend that you do get that one as well. But go ahead, place your orders today, get this, and become a safe nurse. I promise you will not regret it. Thank you again, Miss Regina and the ReMar nursing team. You guys were heaven sent. I pass.